Hey guys, Mur-Lock 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well today. Got a package here I want to share with you guys. We're going to do an out of package today on a lock that I've been waiting for quite a while from a friend of mine in Japan. So that tells you where I'm going with this. He has located me a vintage lock that I was looking for and sent it over to me. So we're gonna have a look at this together. I know that it's at least a pound 2 ounces. There's his little thank you notice for me. I should be thanking him. Take a look at that. Yep, it's another Japanese alpha, guys. 60 millimeter, 10 millimeter shaft, shackle. There's that tight Yale keyway. More importantly, there's the original key. So I wanted to share that with you guys today. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Comes with all the original patina. So I guess what's left to do is we're going to try to get into it. And it's going to stay exactly the way it is. Try bottom of the keyway. I don't know if that's going to work. Looks like that it might work. So let's give it a shot, guys. Let's give this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's at least 5 pins anyway, so let's have a look. Got clicks out of 5, 4, and 3. And yes, it does look identical to the Yale Super Pin Tumbler. Or some of the other Yales, for that matter. Checking the tension. I do got good tension there. So let's try again. Start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to check this again. I'm feeling a 6th pin here, but felt a little click there. I think I had some movement on the core. We'll switch picks here. Throw a Yale keyway on an alpha and you got a different game, I guess. There we go. Got it. Pin number 5, so it is a 5-pinner. Wow, look at that. Still has all the original patina. You can tell that this one's never been opened. I'll show you the key. See it better there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 5-pinner. Still trying to get the dating information on this thing, but it's at least 60 years old, if not more. So that's what I have for you today, guys. A vintage 60mm Alpha Japanese made 10mm shackle. That's the original key. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you very much for your support. Have a great day.